Welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today is February 11th, 2025, and we're diving deep into the USDJPY pair, analyzing the latest news and the most recent price action. Recent headlines indicate a mixed sentiment in the market, with some analysts suggesting a potential bearish trend and others predicting continued sideways movement. Let's start by examining the daily chart to get an overview of the broader USDJPY trend. The daily chart shows a relatively sideways trend in the last few weeks. We observe some minor fluctuations, indicating a battle between buyers and sellers. However, there is no clear directional dominance. Let's switch to the 1-hour chart to see more detailed price action. The 1-hour chart offers a more granular view of the price movements. We can see several instances of support and resistance levels, which can be helpful in identifying potential trade entries and exits. The volume confirms the intensity of price changes. Now, let's narrow our focus to a particularly interesting period on the 1-hour chart. This zoomed-in section of the 1-hour chart from Insert Specific Timestamp Range showcases a clear example of a reversal pattern. The candlestick pattern reveals how buyers stepped in after prices had been declining. Let's consider how this 1-hour action relates to the 15-minute chart. Examining the 15-minute chart provides further insight into the rapid price fluctuations that happened within the Insert Specific Timestamp range. Notice the increased volume during the reversal in this period. The candlestick pattern is a clearer indicator of the market's volatility. Let's review the daily chart again. Looking at the daily chart again, we now see more clearly the smaller price movements that we've discussed in other time frames. We can see that the price action in the recent past is more defined. The current price is hovering around current price, with key support around support levels and key resistance around resistance levels. The price action suggests a consolidation phase with the potential for either a bullish or bearish breakout in the near future. Based on our analysis, a bullish breakout is slightly more likely in the short term if the price decisively breaks above resistance level with a significant increase in volume. This would indicate that buyers have gained control of the market. However, if there is a sustained price drop below support level with high volume, then this is a sign of a bearish breakout. In the long term, several factors such as changes in macroeconomic conditions and shifts in global market sentiment will impact USDJPY's outlook. It is important to pay close attention to these variables and adjust trading strategies accordingly. In summary, the USDJPY pair is currently in a consolidation phase. Key support lies around support levels, while resistance sits around resistance levels. A bullish breakout above the resistance level is slightly more likely, but a bearish breakout is also possible and should be watched. Remember to always manage risk appropriately and conduct thorough research before trading.